Hello Summit, good evening. So here in this video, we want to learn how to make this lovely Agbada, the one you're seeing on screen. Now, if you observe, this is a three-piece Agbada. This simply means that it has an inner wear, a trouser, and the outer Agbada itself. So now, when someone gives you this outfit to make, you must make sure you know how to measure. Now, the measurement of the senator, that's the inner wear, remains the same. So you can make do with the video I made on how to take an appropriate male measurement to take the measurement of the senator. Then for the outer abada itself, now the only thing you need to measure are two things, the shoulder and the length of the abada. Now, usually it varies from heights and sizes, but the range is always with a yardage of 2.5 yards to 3 yards would be ideal to make the outer abada. And the range of measurement is from the shoulder, shoulder to somewhere here at the hand here. It should be around 48, 45, 50. The length as well within the range of 50. That's inches, in inches, right? So the number of yards to use is solely dependent on the person's measurement. So which my customer's measurement I have here, his chest is 47, shoulder is 18, sleeve length is 17, round sleeve is 15, for the biceps, the elbow area is 14, then neck is 17, top length is 34. Then for the waist, his waist is 41, hips is 49, lap is 28, knee is 20, ankle is 16, length of trouser is 40. Okay, the waist is 42, not 41, that waist is 42, right? So now these are the measurements I took from my client, and this is what we are going to use in the making process. So stay tuned and watch the video to the very end, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hello guys, so here we want to cut the Agbada itself, the outer wear. Now, I believe you must have seen or watched the video on the trouser, the top, and subsequently here the Agbada. If you have not watched the videos, please kindly go back and watch them before you continue with this. So I have already cut out, and with that same material, this is what I have left. So, let me measure the yardage I have left after cutting from that material. So in case you want to cut this on its own, so you will know the number of yards you are going to get. So here is 36, 1 yard. And here is another 36, that's 2 yards. And here we have almost another 36, okay, more than 36 again. That's, we have it to be 41, that's 3 yards and 5 inches, right? That is what is left for this outfit. So now we are going to fold. If you observe this picture very well on the screen, you are seeing that this picture does not have, it's a round neck, right? It's a round neck. So you are going to fold this way. So we are cutting from the front so that you don't get confused. We are cutting with the front fabric. Now we are folding this equally in length. And also be in mind that the length can be reduced after cutting, right? But let's just fold first. So once you have gotten the folding nicely done, so this is the folding now. I've gotten my folding nicely done, and then I will fold again into 2. So let me keep the neck where you can see it from the video. Now this is where the neck will be. It's a cut together neck, right? It's a cut together neck. So we are going to do this. So here you iron the shoulder, iron everything, so you will know where it is coming from. I think I have done video on this before, So you can still search for it in my channel here. You can see it. So you iron. So once you have done ironing, now the next you will do here is to mark. Remember that the baseline, that the initial neckline we had for our top, we used was 2.5, right? So we are going to maintain the same 2.5. So 2.5 inches width was what we used to mark our front neckline on the outfit. Then half an inch deep for the back depth. Then you just make a little curve from here, it goes something of this nature, right? Then you are going to mark 3 inches deep. Now the 3 inches will still come from here and not from here, right? From the main folded edge. So you mark 3 inches that way, and then it mark this way as well. Then mark this way as well. Then pattern master, of course, you make your curvy connection. So now, in cutting this, you have to first of all cut the smaller one, that's the back one, cut it together with the front panel. So it goes this way. So before you cut this bigger one, you will separate one piece of this. Separate it. Please make sure you separate it. Don't cut it together. You have made a blunder. So separate it first. So once you have separated it nicely, then once you separate it nicely, make sure that you still maintain the same iron. You see why you must iron first. Please iron your own. Don't cut without ironing. So make sure it's placed properly, and then from here you can cut. You can cut this and join back to the neckline. So after the cutting, you will now slit here by 5 inches or 6 inches. Slit the middle by 5 inches or 6 inches, and you are done. So I'll wear this so you see the results. So I want you to see the results of the Agbada we have just got right here. So here is the neckline, and this is the Agbada. Alright, so I will now send this one embroidering, and they will do the embroidering on the neckline, and this is what we have. Alright guys, so I do hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So this is how it will be. So I also believe I will show you guys the sewing processes of this tutorial, and don't forget that you will need to watch this like 2, 3 times, 4 times, because of my shirts I'm wearing. That's why the neckline is not entering properly, right? So it will enter me because I'm putting on a collar shirt. That's why it's blocking it. But this is how it is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.